Alright guys, got the Suzuki here. It's a 2008 right there, Suzuki, and this is the SX4 all-wheel drive, and we're gonna be replacing a bulb in here, guys. In here there's a bulb. When you press the brakes, it illuminates very bright, but if you put on your headlights, it will illuminate also. So it's called a dual flare bulb, and we're gonna open this trunk up and we're gonna remove this head at the tail light, and we're gonna change that bulb inside, guys. Very simple job. Avoid a ticket, guys. If you have a bulb out, just replace it, guys. All right, so let's get this thing going. Let me set up my camera and we'll continue this in a little bit. All right, guys, first of all, we're gonna open up the trunk. All right, so once we have the trunk open, we're gonna go right there. All right, guys, very simple. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna take this number 10 here. I'm gonna remove this little guy and the number 10 bolt on the top. All right, guys, so once we have both of these out, put them somewhere safe. After that, you're gonna grab this light and you're gonna yank it backwards. All right, it's gonna be a little hard because it got like two little clips in the back, which you're not gonna see, and just don't yank it because you will break the light. So just take it easy. All right, so the whole point is just to pull back. Let me bring my camera this way. All right, all right. That's the problem with these little guys. All right, so just work with it, guys, and just pull it back. Good luck to me. All right, I'm gonna have to get something to push this back, probably a little screwdriver, flathead. If you're gonna use something like this, just be careful with the paint of the car, guys, and be careful with the light because you don't want to damage the light. You see that? So be careful with the paint, be careful with the light itself. All right, we're looking good. We wasn't looking good before. All right, guys. So right here, you see this? These two little tabs right there, they go into the little plastics right there. So let me bring my camera over a little bit so you guys can see. You see those little plastic things right there? They go right into it, all right? So that's what holds this light together. And now my camera's not stable. I need to figure out how to make my camera stand up. All right, guys. So in here, we're changing the bulb right here. So all you do is you grab this and you twist it off, right, guys? And there's the bulb. There's a number on this bulb. It's all faded out, but I got my bulb ready here, guys. This is the bulb. It has two flares inside. So anytime you have 3 wires in it, you don't want to put a single flare bulb, right? So all you do is take this, stick it in, put that in there, twist it on. If you was changing the other 2 bulbs, same procedure, guys. To put it back, we're gonna align the 2 little clips in the back. And once you have them aligned, you're just gonna give it a good tap, all right, guys? Give it a really good tap. And after that, put both of your screws back where they belong. Don't go crazy tightening because you will crack the plastic housing of the light. All right, that's it, guys. So we're done. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye-bye. And I will see you on the next one. All right. So if you have any questions, please send me a message.